Amidst the ambient glow of a medieval workshop, a dedicated woodworker carefully chisels a piece of oak into a masterpiece. His hands, calloused yet steady, etch intricate patterns that tell stories of faith and devotion. Each artifact, from crucifixes to statuary, showcases the remarkable blend of skill and spiritual reverence. In moments of contemplation, he ponders future creations, driven by both artistry and reverence. Inside the cathedral, his altarpiece stands majestically, bathed in the glow of stained glass reflections. Villagers gather in awe, moved by the craftsmanship that enriches their spiritual lives, reflecting the heart of the community.